guys, so today I decided to go ahead and do a Ipsy versus Ipsy. I did not unbox my Ipsy box for the month of September, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And then I'm going to go ahead and unbox the month of October because why not? I have them both and I want to show you what I got in both of my boxes. So let's get right into September's to see what they sent me for September, and then we'll shoot right into October so you can see what came in that one. So the first thing I had is from Nomad. It is a Nomad Cosmetics. It is a Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. This is a 15 shadow palette and it is Nomad. I've never heard of Nomad before. You guys have got to let me know down below if you have heard of this brand before. So it looks like it is a 12-month shelf life and it is a cruelty-free brand, which is really, really nice. It says it's very intense eyeshadows and it looks like these are intense eyeshadows. So just taking a look at them, it looks like all of these eyeshadows have glitter in them except for one matte here, which is going to be the brown. So they're all glittery type of shadows. This one here on the end, which looks like a green shifty color, that one looks really, really pretty and promising. I haven't tried these yet, so you guys will have to let me know what you guys thought about these, if you gave them a try and if you are in love with this shadow palette. This is a $37 value, so that is a really nice value for this box. Hopefully they perform really well. All right, the next thing I got in the box is a lipstick, and I can't pronounce the name, so I'll go ahead and put it right down here so you know what it is. This is a $27 value. It is lipstick in Midnight, it says, and it is in the color Midnight. So let's see here. I've never heard of this brand before, so again, this is something that you'll have to let me know if this is something that you've tried before and what you think. It doesn't have a scent to it, and it's actually a really pretty, like almost blue red. It looks really bright in the camera, but it's not. It's actually kind of a blackish blue red. So this one might be a really, really pretty color to give a try. I, again, have never heard of this brand before, so let me know if you guys give this one a try and if you got this particular color as well. This one does have an 18-month shelf life, so that might be one to give a try if you like reds. Again, this is a $27 value. All right, the next thing I've got is from Catrice. So this is a powder, it looks like, and it is a $22 value. It just looks like a setting powder, and it looks like it's going to be really, really white. I have the hardest time getting these open here, so let's see here. Doesn't look like there's a lot of product in there. Maybe there is. Maybe I'm just looking at it wrong there. So it looks like just a translucent setting powder. I love trying out new ones, so this would be one to give a try and see if it works out. $22 value for that one. So let me know what you guys think about this, if you guys got this in your box as well for the month of September. The next thing I have here is from Glam Glow, and it is a tropical daily exfoliator cleanser. This is a $34 value, which is very, very high for a cleanser. I think it does probably have, yeah, it does have, no it doesn't. It doesn't have a little thing on there. So for me, because of my age, I have a hard time using an exfoliator just because I just don't want to break any vessels in my face or, you know, cause any damage. And exfoliators can be, like physical exfoliators can be a little bit damaging for your skin. So this is one that I'm most likely going to pass on if it has any of those particles in it, because I won't use it for that reason and that reason only. But again, this is a $34 value. So this might be a value to somebody that, you know, likes these kind of exfoliators. For me, it's not something that I would use on my face, so I will definitely pass this on if it has that in there. And the last thing it looks like I have is from Wonder Beauty, and it is a face micro brow pencil in the color dark. It is a very thin pencil here. It has a spoolie, which I love these little tiny spoolies. Those are awesome. And it is very tiny. This is a very tiny, it reminds me of the Anastasia one. But it's very nice because you can get some really tiny little strokes with it. So this will be one that I probably will give a try and see how it works out. This is a $21 value. So Wonder Beauty is in a lot of these boxes. So it's nice to get to try some of their products. But I think that some of their products might be a little overvalued, but it's just my opinion. So you let me know what you guys thought about the month of September box. Again, I know it is very late in the month to do it, but we're going to go ahead and go on to the month of October and see what came in October's box. All right, so here we go. So the first thing I've got is from Betty Boop. This is a cheek to cheek blush palette. So this is a $28 value. It looks like a lot of people got a lot of Betty Boop stuff in their October boxes this month, which is really, really nice. Let's see. Ooh, it has a really, like, the sleekest packaging ever. It's really pretty. I love that little logo on it. It's very, very pretty. Very, very sleek. Let's see what the blushes look like. If I can get it open. There we go. Ooh, those are actually really pretty colors. Very, like, light and muted type of colors, which is the colors that I like to wear every day for work. You've got two of them that are shimmers here, which are these here, and then this one here, which is kind of a pinky, fleshy color, which is really, really pretty. So I'm excited to give those a try. This one here would actually, I think, would be a really nice topper. It has like a shift in it, well, which I kind of like the shifty type of look. So that's really, really pretty. I'm excited to give that a try. I don't know what brand these are from. If they're from like the Betty Boop brand, or if they're just curated for Ipsy, but it is a $28 value. So I don't know, you have to let me know if you guys know anything about the brand Betty Boop, or if it's just an Ipsy brand, or if this is something that has been out there for a while and I have no idea. All right, let's see what the next product is. So we've got the Peerless Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. This is one that I did choose to get. This is a $65 value. I have something else from Peerless. It's like an all-day cream and I use it every day. So I think it's really, really nice. And I'm excited to give this a try and see how this works out. $65 value, super expensive. So hopefully that works really, really, really well. The last one that I got is actually really nourishing and it's really nice to go on before I put on my makeup. So it's something that I do like. All right, the next thing I have is from Jouer. And it is a sparkle stick in Stella. It is a $26 value. What the hell is a sparkle stick? Let's see, what is a sparkle stick? So let's see if I can get that open. Here, that's really, really pretty packaging. There we go. Oh, okay, so it looks just like a highlighter. So that's what a sparkle stick is. I'm going to just swatch it here and let's see. So there's the swatch. Is it a highlighter? What is that? It's a very creamy. I'm assuming it's a highlighter or something to go on your face. I would assume, let's see what a sparkle stick is because I'm super not sure. It is. So basically it's just a cream highlight and it has like the prettiest like soft packaging for it. So that's really nice. I mean, I'm sure I'll give it a try. I like these kind of highlights because they go on really nice, especially on aging skin. They don't like settle in the fine lines or settle in the pores. They blend right into the skin and just look super natural when you put them on. So I'm excited to give that a try. We'll see what happens with that. Right, let's see what's next here. I've got a Chart Chrome pot, shadow pot. This is something that I've actually been looking at a lot online at these because they look so pretty, but I have never actually ordered them. So I'm excited to see what this is. Ooh, it has like a little thing that presses down the shadow. So is it liquid? No. So it's kind of like a very tightly pressed shadow, and I'm not too sure how to use it, but I just grabbed a little bit on my finger and we're gonna go ahead and swatch it and see here. So let's see here. Ooh, there it is there. So that's not as shiny as I thought it would be, but I bet you it's really pretty on. It's all over my fingers, so I'll definitely give that a try and see how that works with other shadows. That is a $22 value. That is a very tiny little product for $22. So I'm hoping that it has a very nice kick to it and I enjoy using it. But I had been looking at these. I like more champagne-y type colors, but this one I think will work, like pink champagne-y, but I think that color will work and we'll see how that turns out for me. All right, the next thing I have in the box is a pack of brushes from Farrah. These are Farrah brushes in Midnight Pro. They are $48 value. Some of these Farrah brushes are really nice, some of them aren't, so they're very hit and miss for me. I know a lot of people don't really like them, but like I said, I do have some of them that I do like that I've been getting in these packages, and some of them I don't. I love this handle that it comes with. It's very lightweight. It reminds me of the ones from Luxie. If you can see, they're really similar to the ones from Luxie. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that's really nice. And I thought these were actually Luxie brushes when I seen the picture on the website, but oh, these are really pretty. They have, oh, the softest brushes there, which is really nice, but they have like this really pretty blue tint to them. I don't know if that's gonna catch that there. It probably won't, but they're really pretty, slightly blue tint, so that's really, really pretty. That would be a really nice blush brush for me. And then this one here would be a really nice contour brush for me, or a highlighter brush. And then this one here, I'm assuming this is like a foundation brush or something like that, but that's what that would be. But these Farrah brushes are priced at a ridiculous price, but some of them are nice and some of them aren't. $48, so that's not too bad. I'll definitely put the amount of both boxes down here for you guys, so you know what September box came in and what the price of September's box is versus the price of October's box. I think that this month I like better than last month's. I think they did a good job with September's box. I actually got a bag in this box too. Did you guys all get bags this month? I think I watched a couple people that did get a bag. So you get just like a leather black bag with a red inside, and then on the other side it has those like pretty little furry things that you can draw on with not a change in color, which is kind of strange. But I did see the ones that everybody got in their just regular like $10 Ipsy bag, and I love that little bag. I wish we would have got that bag instead of this one. But this one's nice as well too. I don't really do anything with these bags, but it's just, I just loved it, like the visual on that bag. It was really, really pretty. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up for you guys. But that was everything I got in both of my boxes for the month of September and the month of October. Let me know if you guys got anything different in either of the months, and I will talk to you later.